friends, I'm Chi. Hope you are doing well today. From the look of things, it's like very dark man is in a big trouble. Though he apologized to at the National Assembly, he apologized to Falz and the father, the son, senior advocate of Nigeria. But now the father is spitting fire. Damn! I will play guys the video so that you hear for yourself what the man was dishing out. We have not seen the last of this case. Well, please like, share, subscribe. Tell me your thoughts in the comment section because I will tell you mine after this video, okay? Let me play it for you guys.
Actually reached out to you. Did Bobrisky speak or directly or indirectly to you? If that is the case or not the case, what are you doing? You've written a letter seeking a retraction of it. But what are you doing to establish your innocence in what has been an allegation on this matter?
Seun. Bobrisky never spoke to me. I have never met him. I do not know him from Adam. It was alleged to have spoken to my son, Falana, Falz. Yes, my son said this guy was appealing to people for assistance and called my son, I think on May 4 thereabout this year, please, can you give me 3 million naira to be placed in a special part of the prison? We'll call it the VIP section. And my son asking, are you calling me under the authorization of the superintendent of prisons? He said, no, please, don't call me again. I'm unable to assist you to bribe the prison authorities. And be very careful, since you're already in jail for an offense. Please, if you are going to come in next time, you either do it through the superintendent or you write a letter endorsed by the prison authorities. And that was the last. Somebody now said he listened to a tape somewhere and went out to lampoon and rather defame me by saying the guy had spoken to me. Of course, we are going to examine the call logs. And my son has also said, this was the guy who originated a call to me. My son has never negotiated fees on behalf of anybody. On the contrary, my 3 children normally refer people who need assistance to me, and not those. In fact, my wife was asking our kids recently, why are you always sending people who are not able to pay our fees? Next time we are going to be charging you. So this is the position. Now what I'm going to do, I have resisted the temptation shown to file a criminal complaint because I'm leading a team of lawyers in West Africa campaigning for decriminalization of freedom of expression. We have succeeded. This campaign is being coordinated by the Media Foundation for West Africa, of which I'm a member of the board. We have succeeded in getting Liberia, Ghana, and Sierra Leone to decriminalize freedom of expression. We are still appealing to other countries in the region to ensure that we respect freedom of expression. But that is not a license for defaming people, for blackmailing people. And what we are saying, if you are defamed, in the words of the late Justice Olatawura, in the case of Otawankwa and the state, if you are defamed by anybody, please go out there and sue for libel, where you put your own character in issue. In this case, we are not going to file a criminal complaint. We will not be pushed to do that. I'm currently defending a couple of journalists who are standing trial, either under the Cyber Crimes Act or under criminal libel. But what we are going to do is to embark on civil proceedings with a view to restoring our integrity, my own name and that of my son, so that nobody will simply rush to the social media to defend any Nigerian. We want to make an example. In this case, we have asked for a retraction and an apology rendered to us. And that is not too much. And if we don't have a retraction, an apology acceptable to us, accepted by us, we are certainly going to initiate civil proceedings in the High Court.
Yeah, Mr. Falana, because this is actually not, I mean, I'm saying for the sake of the public who have not seen or heard from you in this matter, who have the benefit of hearing your own side of the story. And that's why I brought it up. But I know how painful this could be, especially if you have built a reputation over the years. Now, the question here. Yeah, the question.
Okay. Wow. You heard everything for yourself. Well, wow. They are not even mentioning Bobrisky in this matter. Oh boy, Bobrisky, see what he has caused to. Ha. And they're like, we have to do this so that no Nigerian will just carry any voice message or any write-up you see from website or blog. You just assume that it's true and start using it to, paint people black. You just assume totally that they did it. So it's like they are trying to correct some kind of narrative out there. That is not everything you hear or read from the blog or voice message from anybody's WhatsApp or WhatsApp chat that is true. You still have to verify from the person that they are accusing that I've done this or that and say, please see what I heard about you. Is it true? Can you throw more light on it? So, well, people are saying that. Remember, they don't want to mention Bobrisky's name in all this because Bobrisky is not the one that released the audio. He was not the one that say he released the audio there so that people could listen. They are saying that it was Very Dark Man that released the audio. So maybe Bobrisky was only blabbing, trying to brag as usual. That guy like bragging. Maybe he was just trying to brag that he has son backing him up, the lawyer's family backing him up. So even the godfather of a thing, maybe he just made all those things up, trying to brag to his friends to make them feel like, this guy is well connected. Maybe that was what just played out. So Bobrisky could have, you say he's a trickish guy, right? Call him that. The guy is trickish. He's a tortoise himself. So it's like somehow, Very Dark Man fell into the trap. Because even the guy that released the audio to Very Dark Man, he wasn't even sure whether Bobrisky was saying the truth or he was just making it up. Some people like bragging. Things that never happened, they just assume it happened. Hey, IG called me. Hey, Two-Face called me. Wow, Davido called me. I was even chilling with the other senator the other day. Just to brag, So, well, let's see how the matter will be resolved. Who is it that Very Dark Man will go to jail at the end of the day? What do you think? What do you think? And people were like, okay, the lawyer's family, the daughter too was also insulting Very Dark Man, calling him names, all kind of names, blah, blah, blah. But Very Dark Man did not really say that they did it. He did not say that they did it. If you go watch him, you hear him say it. He did not say that they collected money from Bobrisky. He was only saying that if it happens to be that what Bobrisky said is true, that they're going to lose the respect he has for them. He did not really say that they did it categorically. So I don't know. Though Very Dark Man knows his words, he chooses his words carefully. The guy is smart. So, now wow, it's serious, right? It's damn serious. Well, it's okay. That's all I have to bring for you guys today, so that you hear for yourself. You hear the man there raging. It's like Very Dark Man is hated by many. He's hated by many. So I think after now, Very Dark Man will start, minding the way he speaks. Like, not every voice recording now, you just assume that it's true. And now, people will now hold on to this. You're like, okay, Very Dark Man, if you carry audio of what somebody said against me and just assume that it's true totally, I will sue you to court. That is, if this lawyer family now, the son himself, win the case against Very Dark Man, that means Very Dark Man will now be careful of what he says about people. Even when people give him voice recording or chat, he might be careful not to assume that everything in that voice message or chat is true. Because some people could just lie, or brag about themselves and say, I did this, I did that, just to boost their ego, pride. So, Very Dark Man, I think my advice to him is that be careful. when trying to throw more light on voice messages, like to expatiate it. Be careful, else that person might equally sue you. Because in this case, they are saying that it's not Bobrisky that, you know, brought the voice message to the public. It's you, very dark man. So that's why people are now saying, very dark man, somehow, be like, say, you fell for the trap, or you just enter the trap yourself. Because the law is big. We don't know all the laws. This is a lawyer family. All of them are lawyers. So I think they know all the laws. So pray that God will help very dark man to overcome them, to not to go to jail, because we don't want to see him go to jail. I think also, since he has apologized, they should just accept the apology, and everybody should move on, and they should join him in fighting corruption. Because he was only trying to, you know, expose certain things, especially Bobrisky not going to that jail. So now it now looks like Bobrisky is now a saint. And they should look at it this way. Bobrisky was using their name to lie. That they helped him, they helped him to bribe EFCC to kill the money laundering case, blah, blah, blah. What if the thing did not come to the public, and maybe Bobrisky now share this information to about 50, 20 people? Everybody will just take the family to be corrupt. They will just assume it automatically, thinking that it's true. It's not just because the thing is out in the public that we are now knowing that the lawyer family, Femi, Falana, and the son, Fals, it's not now that we are knowing that somehow they are innocent. What if it was not in the public? Everybody just assumed that it's true. This one we hear, tell this one, this one here, tell this one, this one here, tell this one. To now be like rumor. Before you know, rumor will turn out to be true. People just now assume that it's true. They say, forget that family. It's not them that Bobrisky paid money and they went and covered up some corruption case against him. That family is corrupt, Joe. They are not any saint. You know? Well, it's okay. So tell me your thoughts in the comment section. All right. See you guys later. I am Chi. Show me some love. Please like, share, subscribe. I'm out of here. I'm Chi. Bye.